So I'll give you a bit more details on how it's done. So if you look on the side, so this, for example, is the barcode, but what it does is it replaces the barcode with the variable information that comes from that specific export. So let's say the flavor specifically that it's trying to make is, if we're trying to do this flavor, Deadman 60 mil, it'll take this info, all of this. So it'll use this information to say, okay, it's the Deadman layer. It's going to be 60 mil bottle. This is the product number. This is the SKU. This is going to be the date. And so it takes all that variable information and puts it into these spots. So there's no manual work required. All the labels are done all at the same time, and it all gets sent to the printer. And then based on the information, the data sheet, it will know how many of each one is being created. But one label roll might have 1,000 labels and with a whole bunch of different batches with a variety of different numbers. For example, that's the frozen peach. If we wanted to have frozen Sophie, but normally nobody would go in and do this stuff. It's automatically generated. So it creates this, it puts this information in, it puts this ingredients, and then I was showing you in the other video that if this is an American one, it'll recognize it as an American SKU, put the American warnings. If it's international, put the international ones. So if this is International Delights, Belgian Breakfast, puts this layer on. For the house, they all use, some of them have the same background. So House of Fruit all have this background, then it'll put the centerpiece on. So this is kind of like how we've been able to efficiently deal with so many flavors. We don't actually create the labels. It's just a matter of creating a layer and then just making sure that the data is always clean.